Good day peeps, me again Denner, and I'm going to show you how to update your DJI Spark using the DJI Assistant 2 application on your PC. So check this out. Okay, so mag-update kayo ng firmware nyo of your drone. Specifically, mine is a DJI Spark. I upgraded to a new phone. Now the challenges would be there's an updated software, which is the DJI Go app, and I also have delayed update on my firmware. So kailangan ko siyang i-update. Since mine is a firmware combo, the one na meron ka ng remote, it's already sync harmoniously with the remote. Anyway, we're just here for the updating of the firmware. So how can we use the DJI Assistant 2? So kung may PC kayo, Mac or PC, this is good for you guys. It's more faster, especially if your PC is connected to a good stable internet connection. You can use this. So double click nyo lang yung DJI Assistant 2 and then run it. So first off, you should be logged in on your account. So mine already logged in, and you will get the cable, this cable. Yeah, you attach it on your computer via USB cable, and then make sure you have a battery that is like 50%. So this one is 3 bars almost, the other one is 2 bars, so almost 50%. So it depends on the download. So I suggest you fully charge your battery, but I hope mine is good enough. So let's insert this and then plug the backside of your Spark. Okay, so already plugged in. Okay, so we'll turn on the Spark. So now it's turned on. Check natin yung kung na-detect siya sa DJI Assistant 2. So connect, it's reading. Hindi ako masyado fan mag-update kasi nga minsan nagkakaroon ng mga problema. But I think DJI has gone through a lot of research about updating. So I guess it's just okay to update, especially yung mga critical updates. And minsan may mga new features like the boomerang, spherical. So you can't be left behind. It's also good to update your DJI drone. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so when I plugged in, open up the Spark, ayan na, nakita na si Spark. So click on Spark, and then you can see there's a firmware update. So if you like to update the flying database required, confirm para mag-update yung no-fly zone database natin. So now it's currently downloading. So mostly yung mga no-fly zone, ayan na, update complete. So back. Okay, so current version ko is v1.006. So let's check out other stuff if I miss out something. Okay, so the latest version, v1009, v version 100900. So we will try to upgrade to this version. So if you like to check if it's official, it's official. If it's internal beta, they can announce it here. So if you like to check out the notes kung ano yung release. So in the DJI Assistant, you also have the data upload. So if you like to upload the device information of your flight, it's good to check also. Okay, there's also the black box where if something bad happens, you can save it here locally. And you can also do the simulator when it's collected. And Wi-Fi settings. Whoops. So firmware update tayo. Wala namang update to other except the aircraft. So let's upgrade. So click on upgrade. So let's ensure that the computer is connected to the internet, that the DJI device is powered on, and there's a USB connection. So start update, and let's wait and see until it updates. So yun na siya. Currently updating, downloading. So it's gonna take a while, so I suggest 50% yung battery before doing the update. So it's very critical, disconnect or power off your DJI at this point because baka mag-break yan, magkaroon ng problema with updating. So Yeah, better leave it as it is while it's still powered on, and we will restart the aircraft. So hintayin natin. Yan na, 79%, 80%, almost there, almost there. Okay, so now it's transmitting. So there are sometimes updates on the remote that they will announce it there as well. So if, example, they posted that you need to upgrade the remote, you will also attach the remote via USB and then update it. So it's more faster on PC. Even the charging hub, sometimes they do update the charging hub and even the battery. So you should be connecting the correct battery and do the updates there. That's the purpose of the charging hub. So if you have batteries to upgrade, maybe it can be done here, or it might be the charging hub as well needs to be updated. So better check out the instructions. So far I don't have any updating both for the battery and the charging hub. Even the remote, there's no drone lang ang pinapa-update niya. So let's check it out. What are the new features? Okay, so nagiba na yung sound nung drone ko. Tumutunog na siya ng 1 beep, 1 beep, 1 beep. So I think it's part of the updating process. So huwag ka malikot, baka mamaya magkagulo pa. So baka mamaya disconnect. Okay, tumunog na ulit yung fan niya. Then yung mga lights niya nagbabago-bago. You know. See, it's changing. Okay, so I heard the restarting beep. It's still on. Bigla na lang siya nag-ininit. So okay lang siguro yun. Still okay. There are red flashing on the left. Ayokong galawin kasi baka ma-disconnect yung cable. So there's flashing red. Oh, you hear that? Updating. Oh, it says update complete. So let's wait. Back. Everything is up to date. Okay, so now it's current. You see? Refresh. Okay, it's currently up to date and it's okay. So you also have to choose to downgrade. If you are not satisfied with the latest version, you can choose to downgrade it if you like. So okay, so it's just finished. I'll try to turn it off and disconnect. Maybe turn it on again, and then we'll connect to my mobile phone and remote. Okay, so as you can see, there's no more notification here if your DJI Spark is not updated. So it's currently updated. You can check out. That ends the updating of the DJI Spark using DJI Assistant 2 on a PC. And I hope you have a good update. Check out some of my videos for other tutorials. Subscribe to my channel. Peace. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.